How's it going, guys? Yes, we're still here at the Gabba, and this is that 380 that went through the middle. It's a bit dark under here, so forgive me for that. So that goes right through there. This is our joint near the middle. Okay, we've beveled it. Nice deep bevel as far as we can go without losing the middle altogether. That's all beveled. There it's all clean. So it's ready for this 300 that's got to go in up here. So it's a nice clean steel for welding. Because Roger is using the gas big tomorrow. The steel has to be cleaned, just like this one. That's all been cleaned. It's got dust over it at the moment, but it is actual. We have cleaned the paint off, so it makes a nice weld. And here we have that beveled again. Now we've got Roger's going to MIG that up tomorrow, and then I've got to make some diamond plates out of 200 by 200, 200 mil by 10 mil plates, diamond plates to go over the top of that and be welded on after we grind the weld flat that Roger's going to put on there. So we've got to, and of course this is where the stump is going too. So that's why we put the join there, because we've got a stump in the middle of the house, and it's going underneath this weld. So give it even more space. So that's why we put the weld there. We'll put the join there, I should say. Frankie's just over there cleaning that steel up. So we put this 300 in, and it's all ready for Roger to weld. He's coming in tomorrow and Saturday to weld off, and we've got a lot of steel to put in between now and then. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We got that 300 in there this morning before lunch. Bit of hard work, that one. But now the whole outside's done, so the rest is easier. It's just plugging in now, just gradually cutting and putting them up. A lot easier now than what it was getting the whole outside done. Alrighty, that was all I wanted to say. Just got that done. Just for our joint in the middle. Okay, talk to you guys again soon. Thanks for viewing. See ya. Bye.